Hello wonderful people, it's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're coming back, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. So today we are here with a simple recipe. This is actually my husband's recipe. He makes the most amazing pancakes, or crepes actually. And there are only two things that my husband is good at, and that's his crepes and his jollof stew. But anyway, he decided to give me this recipe and I'm happy to share with all of you. So let's just jump right in. To start with, we're going to go over the ingredients. We have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of water, a whole tin of milk. We're going to use this whole tin. Oh, I just spilled that. We have 2 eggs, half a cup of butter, melted butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We always need some flavor, so don't forget your flavor. You can actually substitute the vanilla extract with cinnamon, but today we're going to go with the extract. To begin, we're going to start with our wet ingredients except the water. So I'm going to pour out the entire can of milk. We're going to add our 2 eggs. Our melted butter. And our extract. So I only whisked this for about 2 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. And as I said, 2 cups of flour and a cup of sugar. So at this point, your water can come in, but I'm going to whisk this again. And then depending on the consistency that I want, I'll add the water and stop at that point. So we're going to whisk here again. So this can get a bit messy, so you have to try to incorporate whatever is at the side into your mixture. So I just grabbed my spatula and I'm trying to get everything together. So I'm going to whisk here. So I love the consistency here so far. It's still light, but I'm still going to add some water because, as I said, we're going for flavorful pancakes / crepes. And crepes usually has a lighter consistency, so I'm going to add some more water. And this here is about 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna whisk here again to incorporate everything. And I'm whisking all this on the lowest setting, so I have it on 1 on my whisk. So I have my frying pan on medium heat here, and we already added butter, so I'm not going to add anything, any butter or oil to fry my pancakes. So here I have a ladle. I'm just going to scoop 1 here, and just see how it just like spreads in there. So satisfying. This is the consistency you want, people. This is it. So as you can see, we don't have any liquid showing here. It's all pretty much cooked beneath. So we're going to turn at this point. This is okay. We still got it to be flat, and look how nice this is. Ooh, it's just perfect. As I said, we didn't have to use any butter because we already melted butter into our mixture. So here we are, wonderful people. Look how amazing this looks. Who is not going to eat this? I would, and I'm going to actually jump right into this. It's so good. I don't want to miss out and tasting this. I actually ended up adding some maple syrup to this. And as you can see, I have some raspberries and some blueberries, and it just makes it amazing. You can also add whipped cream for the kids. What a way to gain all the 50 pounds. Oh goodness. This is so good. I hope you enjoyed this easy, short tutorial. My husband will be so proud of me because this came out just as good as his does come out. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and until next time, thank you.